If you want to add music to your Instagram notes, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First we need to go to your App Store or Play Store and go to Instagram and make sure the app is updated. If it's not, update it. Once it is updated to the latest version, go ahead and open Instagram. From here, tap on the Chats button in the top right corner. That will take you to this screen. You can tap on the plus right on top of your profile picture to add a note. So once you tap there, you get this screen, you write your note normally. Now, if you want to add the music, you can tap on this music icon right here. It will take you to the screen. You need to search for the music that you want to add and then add it. Just like that, choose the part that you want to add and then tap on the tick in the top right here. Now all you need to do from here is to tap on share in the top right corner and your note will be shared with music, just like that. Everybody can listen to that music on your note now. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.